And then so yada fufura only me share biem. Mr. say over subscribe ama me na wa like na wa share. E mawura mfi say obe mia adoma ne so ati ase. Mr. ene wasa ne mashia wo Photoshop ho. Na color grading no na yada so eguso a me kire no so ati ase. Color grading no na meguso kire. Enti mo hear me previous videos no afi yes to aso biem another color grading kwan a besa fa so foforo obetimi aye o picture color grading ebiem enti we no picture no na okwa drag de abetum okwa kofa abetum ana se obebo Photoshop no PS na edaha no oboso na abie abase ebie ba then no about double click obo double click ya then ebeko baby a folder no say oye dey okofa picture no na why the picture no ayede abetum ti ye ko baby a ye behu ye picture no na yakofa picture no abetum enti ewo pictures pictures na ko pictures ti ko pictures ya enti yemfa picture we emetum inti ya twan picture ne se ebeba na ye de aye color grading no picture ni inti ye pese picture we no o pese a look natural so atiase a look natural inti first of all no obeko ahase na wa drag picture no abeto ha na a duplicate picture na ma ana say obebo Ctrl+J na aye picture no mienu aye dey amount owi a right click na ko convert it to smart object afi ya convert it to smart object no then obeko filter now what you see camera raw filter the machine dey ya na yisuru kakran so mfane sa so atiase so your camera raw filter na ayede abi no here is basic nini enti maybe explaining ebia one by one so what you see enti black no over the black ne beba down enti black ne ba down it show my picture na ni edum kakra then white no e top then now the shadow no so either down shadow ne or down now the highlights and so cut up so what you see highlights cut up now the contrast get bi aka ho or the contrast get bi ya dey eka ho afi this is before and this is after, this is before and this is after, so what you see afi what did be account come to there vibrance and what saturation for vibrance kakra ka ho that is saturation kitwa bin so ayede aka ho de biama vibrance nenye high than the saturation where you know afi yenwie ye come to color grading over color grading now then shadow mid-tones and what highlight no fa eno so ye adwuma kakra okay highlight no eko esoro kakra eko too much. Highlight no increase ne kitwa bi then midtones no so no increase and so kitwa bi then highlight so kitwa bi. So what you see you see before and then after. So this is what the after, and after the mamini the two here is the before and here is what the after. Here is the before and here is what after. Then you come to what the color mixture. You see the be orange no and a nipa no e color no orange ni nipa no color no. So what you see hue and what the luminance. So we are coming to deal with what the huge first. So blue, increase the blue no for blue ne ko nanim kakra. Then nuaba the orange no so the orange no kitwa bi ere eka ho. Then yenko saturation no yeah. So saturation is no blue no the blue kitwa bi. Then you add what the orange on color bi e wo ho bia wo mu bi enti color na ohwe a e wo ho no na o de increase no obetima abo saa de we so then saa de kro no de koto saa color no so a na watwe otwe a ebetwe saa color no na increase na ade amount. This is what the magentans no is what the lip na ode akana no. So what you say na body ne so a then watch your body ne kakra answer body na etwe the red and then what orange So what you see and this is the before and this is what the after. This is the before and this is what after. Then you hit okay. Yes, so let's see. So this is before, and this is what after. So this is another way to do what the color grading or tools. This is the way, or this is the another way to do what the color grading. First one uncle and a second one so yeah the uncle. First one no manu su camera raw filter uncle, but this one the camera raw filter no and I'm used to here. So this is the another way to do what color grading. Intimate also over subscribe me na de bia no yes ya de afa color grading enene de keke ho bebre retouching ni ade. So what you see next time no me the phone from ba nti subscribe na share de bia me kire ni ntwi. So what you see me kire ni twi color grading no me de me ye ni twi. So what you see Photoshop bia me ye ni twi na what you see ye. So what you see nti me de mo besia epia